So if you're interested in learning about DTF and would like to create better designs for it, stick around to discover some basic design tips. Tip number 1, 300 dpi resolution. Images for DTF printing should have a resolution of 300 dpi to avoid blurry prints. Begin with your image open, click image, image size. Here you can adjust the resolution, image size in width and height and dimensions. Ensure that your graphic is set to a resolution of 300 dpi or ppi, which is ideal for high-quality prints. Tip number 2, open or negative space designs. To create an open space, we want to delete the black inside the wings. Go to select, then choose color range, use the dropper to click on the black, make sure the invert box is checked, click invert, and click OK. Now in the layers panel, click on the layer mask icon, which is the rectangle with a circle in it. This will create a layer mask with the selection. Let's zoom in and make sure we didn't create any semi-transparent pixels. Make sure the layer is unlocked, then right-click on the layer and select Blending Options. This opens up the Layer Style panel. At the bottom of the window, you'll see the Blend If area on the current layer slider. Click on the triangle to the left under the black and begin to slide it to the right. You'll see the black begin to disappear. Once all the black is removed, click OK. Let's zoom out and check if we successfully removed the black background. Create a new layer. Move the layer behind the design. Zoom in again and look closely to compare the before and after. Tip number 3, prefer PNG or PDF formats. Finally, for the last tip, to ensure accurate printing, save or export your file in PNG or PDF formats since they support transparency. Go to File, Save As, and enter your file name. For this design, I'll save it as Heroes since they are both the protagonist of their own shows. Lastly, to export, go to File, Export As. Make sure the format is PNG and the transparency box is checked. Then just click Export and wait for the window to pop up and click Save. We hope this 3 DTF tips make your process smoother. Explore endless possibilities. Visit our website today at www.transfersuperstars.com and ignite your journey.